And welcome to 3D Hawaii. Or 3D Chris. I don't know what I'm going to name the channel yet. But here today we're opening up Plas3D. I ordered earlier this week. It was shipped yesterday, and let's see what we got in the box. I pre-opened it prior to this video. But we got some orange PLA. It's their basic PLA. Brought it in just to try it out. Not bad on the specs, but 0.02, 1.75. Nice, really nice wind on it. And then got some sticker in the box too for Plas3D. Innovation 3D Materials, Maker's Choice. Okay, well, give it a try, see how it is. I'll do another video on that later. Alright, so we got the box here. Plas3D.com. Came out of California. So, oh look, they gave some black PLA to test out. We got some silver here. The windings on this one is not as nice as those windings, so I don't know. I don't know if it just got messed up in the mail, but we got one silica in that one. What I did notice in the orange pack, it had two silicas in there. And yes, this will be an unscripted video. Unedited video. It's as I go, but you can see the windings here is not as tight as the orange. I did buy this material for myself, so they sent nothing free other than shipping to Hawaii. They hooked me up on a discount. So I guess you contact them, they'll ship to Hawaii at a little better prices by priority mail. Like I said, I got it overnight pretty much from the San Jose area. So with that, we'll leave it there. Oh, I didn't say this. But yeah, standard PLA, also 0.202. I'll let you know how this one goes. Kind of concerned about the wraps on that one, but I need some gray. Until next time, later.